Hello students, very good morning. Myself Rakesh Yadav representing Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda, and we are discussing class 11th related chapter 5th. Our topic's name is complex numbers and quadratic equations of exercise 5.2. We have done up to question 4th of NCERT. Now we have to proceed with question 5th, and here we have to find this in polar form. It is the Cartesian form and we have to convert it in polar form. This one is Cartesian form. So in solution we have to mention first of all, on comparing with x plus iy, x is equal to -1 and y is equal to -1. Now r cos theta is equal to x and r sin theta is equal to y, we can write. So this will become r cos theta is equal to -1 and r sin theta is also equal to -1, because here nothing is there means what? -1 is there with I. So on squaring and adding equation 1 and 2, these are equation 1 and 2. On squaring and adding equation 1 and 2, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta is equal to -1 square plus -1 square. So we can take r square common from here, so it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta, bracket closed, is equal to 1 plus 1. So now this will become r square into 1 is equal to 2, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what we may write here, r square is equal to 2 and r is equal to √2 by sign convention rule, because we have to take here positive value only. Now r is equal to √2 means what we have to do? On putting in equation 1 and 2, on putting value of r in equations 1 and 2, what we will get? We will get √2 cos theta is equal to -1 and √2 sin theta is also equal to -1. Now I have told you that we have to bring the answer up to second quadrant, means in first quadrant and in second quadrant only we have to bring the answers here for theta. So first and second quadrants are only allowed. So cos theta will be equal to -1 by √2 and sin theta will be equal to -1 upon 2. Means sin and cos both are negative. So both are negative means here it is sin positive and cos negative. Cos negative and sin is positive here in second quadrant. In first quadrant both are positive, but these are both are negative values. So for this, first of all, let us do it in this form. Cos theta is equal to minus cos pi by 4. This we have to write first of all. And then sin theta is equal to minus sin pi by 4. So if I will write it in this form, cos theta is equal to cos pi minus pi by 4, I can write, and this will become positive also. because cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta in second quadrant. It is pi minus means here it is pi, here it is 0, here it is 90 and here it is pi. So cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, that's why this minus will be eliminated here. But here it can't be eliminated, so this minus will be remain same after writing sin pi minus pi by 4 also. If I am writing sin 180 minus theta, then it will be positive sin theta. So this minus will be as it is, which is here. This minus will be as it is. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to solve this. Cos theta is equal to cos, on taking LCM 4 pi minus pi, that is 3 pi by 4, and sin theta is equal to minus sin 3 pi by 4. Now what we have to do? Now let us take one another concept. Cos theta is equal to cos minus 3 pi by 4. So cos minus theta is cos theta only, so it is correct. And sin theta is equal to sin minus 3 pi by 4. This is also correct now, because sin minus theta is minus sin theta. So now we can consider theta is equal to minus 3 pi by 4. What is polar form? Polar form is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the polar form. So I can express now, because I am having value now of theta also minus 3 pi by 4. So let us put the value of r and theta here for getting the polar form. So root 2 into cos minus 3 pi by 4 plus I sin minus 3 pi by 4. This is only the correct answer. So what is our aim? Our aim is to bring both these parts positive. Here positive sign is required. एक तो इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव साइन होना चाहिए दोनों साइड, और दूसरा इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि फर्स्ट या सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में ही आपको इसके आंसर्स निकालना है. सो दिस इज ओनली द फाइनल आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन 6, इट इज -3. सो लेट इट राइट इन सॉल्यूशन. -3 plus 0i, it is given on comparing with x plus iy. X is equal to what? -3 and y is equal to 0. Now r cos theta is equal to x and r sin theta is equal to y. So we may write r cos theta is equal to -3 and r sin theta is equal to 0. So on squaring and adding equation first and second, on squaring and adding equations first and second, what we will get? We will get here r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta is equal to -3 square plus 0 square. So r square is taken common. Here it is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 9 plus 0. So r square into 1 is equal to 9, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So now what we can do? R square is equal to 9 means r is equal to what? 3, because it is square of 3. So r is equal to 3. Now on putting value of r in equations 1 and 2, what we will get? If we put 3 here, then it will be 3 cos theta is equal to -3 and 3 sin theta is equal to 0. So cos theta is equal to -3 upon 3, that is equal to 1, and sin theta is equal to 0 upon 3. So cos theta is equal to -1 and sin theta is equal to 0. So cos theta is equal to minus cos 0 degree. It is the value of cos 0 degree. And sin theta is equal to sin 0 degree. Here it is positive, but here it is negative. So what we have to do? Negative sign is not allowed here. So for this, write it like this: cos theta is equal to cos 180 minus 0. I can write it like this because cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, and sin theta is equal to sin pi minus 0, 180 minus 0. So sin 180 minus 0 is 0, sin 180 minus 0 is sin 0 only, because in second quadrant sin and cosec are positive. This is second quadrant, 180 minus theta. See, here I am making from 0 to pi by 2, it is first quadrant, and pi by 2 to pi, it is second quadrant. In second quadrant sin and cosec are positive, so it is second quadrant, pi minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. So I can write here cos theta is equal to cos pi, and sin theta is equal to sin pi. So theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to pi now. Now polar form we may write, because r and theta both value we are having now. Value of r is 3 and value of theta is pi. So polar form is what? R into cos theta plus I sin theta. So we may write 3 into cos pi plus I sin pi. This is only our final answer for question number 6. This question number 6 is now over. Now see, it is question 7th, root 3 plus I. Now see, question 7th, it is root 3 plus I. So solution is, on comparing with x plus iy, x is equal to root 3 here and y is equal to 1, because coefficient of I is 1 here. So I can write x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. So r cos theta is equal to x and r sin theta is equal to y. So r cos theta will be equal to root 3 and r sin theta will be equal to 1. This we have to assign first and second equation. So it is first and this one is second equation. On squaring, and adding equations 1 and 2. So it will become r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. LHS we have added, squared and added LHS, and now RHS root 3 square is equal to root 3 square plus 1 square. Means RHS is also squared and added now. Now r square can be taken common, so it will be cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 3 plus 1. So now it will be r square into 1 is equal to 4, because cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. So r square is equal to 4 or r is equal to 2 we can write, because it is square of 2. Now on putting value of r in equations 1 and 2, what it will become? 2 cos theta is equal to root 3. 2 cos theta is equal to root 3 and 2 sin theta is equal to what it is? 1. So now cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to, we may write cos pi by 6, it is cos 30 degree value. Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin theta is equal to sin pi by 6. It is also sin 30 degree value 1 by 2. Now theta is equal to pi by 6. It is very simple, this question, because there is no need to change its quadrant, because sign are positive here in both the cases. So this is only the solution for determining theta. Now polar form we have to write. Polar form is what it is? R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Now value of r is 2. So we may write 2 into cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6. This is only the polar form of the Cartesian complex number equation. Complex number is represented in the form of polar form, we can say. So this question number 7 is now over. Now see, question 8, it is I only. So in solution we have to write it first of all 0 plus 1i. I means what? 1i. So on comparing, and here it is 0, real number, 0 plus 1i. On comparing with x plus iy, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So r cos theta is equal to x and r sin theta is equal to y. So we may write r cos theta is equal to 0 and r sin theta is equal to 1. It is equation 1 and this one is equation 2 again. On squaring and adding equations 1 and 2. Now this will become r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta is equal to square of 0 plus square of 1. So r square is taken common. Again it is cos square theta plus sin square theta. And here it is 0 plus 1. Now see, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 only. So r square into 1 is equal to 1, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So r square is equal to 1, or r is also equal to 1, because 1 square is 1 only. So value of r is 1. on putting value of r in equation 1 and 2, what we will get? 1 cos theta is equal to 0, 1 cos theta is equal to 0 and 1 sin theta is equal to 1. See, 1 sin theta is equal to 1 and 1 cos theta is equal to 0. So 1 into cos theta is cos theta. So cos theta is equal to 0 and sin theta is equal to 1. Now what it will become? Cos theta is equal to cos 90 degree, because 0 is only in cos 90 degree and here it is sin theta is equal to sin 90 degree. So this is also the simple question, because here both are positive. Now we may write directly theta is equal to pi by 2. So this is argument and this is modulus. So now polar form we may write now polar form, which is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So it will be value of r is 1 and then cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Or you may don't write this one also, cos pi by 2, because 1 into something is 1, that particular value only. So cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. This is only the polar form for question number 8, and now this exercise 5.2 is over. Thanks a lot for watching our channel Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda. Please do like it, subscribe it and share it.